Fish tacos. What's not to love? They're fresh, they're zesty, they're a taste of sunshine. Imagine biting into a warm tortilla filled with tender, flaky fish. Add some crunchy slaw, a sprinkle of tangy lime, and a dollop of creamy sauce. It's pure magic. And the best part? They're super easy to make. Get ready to rock your kitchen with this awesome recipe. For these amazing fish tacos, you won't need anything fancy, just good, honest ingredients you can find at your local shop. Here's your shopping list. For the fish, grab some whitefish fillets, cod, tilapia, or haddock. Work great. For the taco magic, lime, garlic, smoked paprika, cumin, and a pinch of chili powder will make your fish sing. For the crunchy slaw, cabbage, red onion, carrots, and a squeeze of lime will add a lovely crunch. For the creamy dream, mayonnaise, sour cream, and more lime juice will make your taste buds dance. And don't forget, fresh cilantro, warm tortillas, and your favorite hot sauce. Now for the fun part, cooking. Don't worry, it's easy peasy. First, the fish fiesta. Cut your fish into nice chunks. Mix together the lime juice, garlic, paprika, cumin, and chili powder. Pour it over the fish and let it marinate while you prepare everything else. Next, the slaw symphony. Shred your cabbage, onion, and carrots. Mix them in a bowl with some lime juice. Season with salt and pepper. Then, the creamy creation. Stir together the mayonnaise, sour cream, and lime juice. Taste and adjust to your liking. Now, the fish finale. Heat some oil in a pan. Cook the fish for a few minutes on each side until it's cooked through and flaky. Finally, taco time. Warm your tortillas. Fill each one with some fish, slaw, and a dollop of the creamy sauce. Sprinkle with cilantro and your favorite hot sauce. And there you have it, a plate of awesome homemade fish tacos. Serve them with extra lime wedges and your favorite Mexican sides. Guacamole, salsa, and rice are all fantastic choices. The beauty of this recipe is that it's so adaptable. You can use different types of fish, adjust the spices to your liking, or add any toppings that tickle your fancy. So go ahead, get creative and enjoy the fiesta of flavors.